Joining us now to break down this case is our ABC7 legal expert, attorney Alexis Rosenberg. Alexis, it is great to have you with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Obviously, this is a case that everyone has been watching very closely. First question, as an attorney, what was your initial reaction to the verdict?
I wasn't really surprised. I was hoping they were going to get him also on the sex trafficking, but I thought the RICO charge was very difficult for the jury to understand.
Yeah, there have been some legal experts who said that they felt he was overcharged. Do you agree in some respects?
So there's been a lot of theories that these were all really state charges and question as to why the Southern District of New York took this on, and it's probably politically driven. So yeah, there is that theory.
As we've been reporting, pretty soon, less than an hour, his attorneys will be asking the judge to essentially set him free pending his sentencing. What are the chances that he could actually walk out of jail today, and what will this hearing look like?
So there is a very good chance that he will walk out. He has been sitting in jail for these charges pending when he was arrested and then ultimately during the trial. So he was convicted of the lesser charges, which is the Mann Act or the prostitution, as you said, acts. And those are, he can get up to 10 years for each one. There were 2 counts of it, but there's a high likelihood that they're going to let him out. They're going to set provisions, like for instance, an ankle bracelet, maybe he puts up $5 million, and then they say, okay, we're going to let you out until sentencing.
Yeah, and so apparently the attorneys, what is the process? They're writing letters. They've been asked to write letters to essentially plead their case.
So this morning, the defense asked for him to be let out pending the sentencing. Obviously, the government, the prosecution said no, they were against it. So the judge more or less said, you know, put it down on paper, tell me your positions, and then we're going to readdress it at 5 o'clock.
Okay, yeah, all eyes will be watching that courtroom. Quickly, you talked about how much time he's facing. I heard 10 years, I heard 20 years. What does that look like?
So he's facing up to 10 years for each count. So that's potentially 20 years. It could be one after the other. The likelihood, though, with this charge, although the government's going to ask for it, he's not going to have to serve them one after the other. And I don't think he's going to get 10 years either.
Yeah. Do you think he'll get time served?
He will definitely get time served. He will definitely get that. The question is, how much time is he actually going to now spend in jail afterwards? And we'll find that out at sentencing, not today.
Okay. Alexis Rosenberg, thank you so much for joining us. Always great to have you.